Welcome back to today's class, children. In our previous video, we have solved the example number 23A question, that is evaluate each of the following using suitable identities. In this now B question is 999 whole cube. You can write this as 990 plus 9 whole cube or else 1000 minus 1 whole cube. Whichever you feel appropriate, you can use here, children. Now I am going for 1000 minus 1 whole cube, which will be easy for me to cube. So I had made my initial arrangements 999, that is 1000 minus 1 whole cube, same as a minus b whole cube, where a is 1000 and b is 1. Wherever there is a, I should substitute 1000. Wherever there is b, I should substitute 1 now. So check here, children. I have substituted a 1000 cube minus b cube is 1 cube minus 3a square b is 3 into 1000 square into 1 plus 3ab square is 3 into 1000 into 1 square. 1000 cube means 3 zeros. 3 3s are 9. So followed by 9 zeros I should write. Now minus 1. 1 cube is 1 and 1000 square. Again 3 zeros. 2s are 6 zeros. 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 followed by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 3 into 1000 is 3000. 3000 ones are is 3000. Hence I should write again 3000 on addition of these two numbers and subtraction of these two numbers from the solution we will get. So here is the solution, children. Kindly take a screenshot and copy in your notes. So here is your example 24, children. This is factorize. Here they have already given an expanded form. Now you have to write the identity which matches to this and write the solution for this. So all are positive, means I can go with the x plus y whole cube formula. Am I right? See here, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. But here it is not whole cube. So first arrangement I should make it as whole cube. So the same question, little bit format I have changed. I have written because it should match with our identity. Hence now this matches with our identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Can you check here? A means 2x, b means 3y. So a is 2x, b is 3y. So I know this expansion is of a plus b whole cube. Henceforth my solution will be 2x plus 3y whole cube. Now cube is there, no, children? So we should write 3 times 2x plus 3y into 2x plus, don't get confused here, all the 3 times also you should take plus sign only, plus 3y. Okay, children, this is the solution for your given question. Kindly take the screenshot and copy in your notes. So to expand identity number 8, we are given with x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Using this we have to come to the conclusion of identity number 8. So how to do this? We will go for an trinomial multiplication. That is, first we have to multiply this whole bracket with x. Then again addition of this whole bracket multiplication with y. Then addition of whole bracket with multiplication of z. So after multiplication and addition, what we will get? Let us see now. As we can't write whole multiplication in one single line, children, I am going to write one below the other. First now I have multiplied whole bracket with x. X into x square is x cube. X into y square is xy square. X into z square is xz square. Minus x y into x is minus x square y. Minus x y z is your next solution. Minus z x square on multiplication with x. Now on multiplication with y, the whole bracket, what you will get, let us see. So next same bracket multiply with y, x square into y becomes x square y square into y will become y cube, yz square, x into y square, next is y square z, next is minus xyz. I have taken x before and then yz next. Next same whole bracket you are going to multiply with z. So can anyone say x square into z, what you will get? X square into z will become x square z, next y square z, next z cube. Okay, I will write now. So now by seeing line by line I am going to cancel the common terms with opposite symbols, children. So x y square minus x y square gets cancelled, x z square gets cancelled with x z square. Similar way all I am going to cancel. All like terms with opposite symbols got cancelled. So in first line what is remaining? X cube minus xyz, that I am going to write x cube minus xyz. In second line y cube minus xyz plus y cube minus xyz. In next line z cube minus xyz. So look here children, I have written. Now same like terms with negative symbols we can add. So coming to the conclusion, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is the solution for the identity x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Or else in a reverse way, if there is a question x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, you can answer x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is your identity number 8, children. Kindly take a screenshot and copy in notes. So based on identity number 8, here is a example number 25 regarding the factorize 8x cube plus y cube plus minus 27z cube minus 18xyz. This is not in the form, so first I should bring it into the form of 8th identity. So now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So the solution we know for this as, so now I have written the identity comparatively to our question, children. Now by seeing this only you can say what is A. A is 2x, B is y, C is 3z. Some children will be saying that A as 2x whole cube. It is not 2x whole cube, children. A is just only 2x. Okay, now I am going to substitute A, B, C values in my given identity. So look here children, now I have substituted the values. Wherever there is A, I have written as 2x. Wherever there is B, I have written as y. Wherever there is C, I have written as 3z. A square means 2x square, B square means y square, C square means 3z square. A into B is nothing but 2x into y, because A is 2x and B is y. Similar way, BC is 3z into y and CA is 3z into 2x. Now I need to square this. 2 square is 4, 4x square, 3 square is 9, 9z square. Then these terms will lie as it is, but here 3 2 is 6, 6xz I am going to write. Here is your whole solution, children. Kindly take a screenshot and copy in your notes. Okay. In my next video, we will try to solve the exercise questions of exercise 2.5. Thank you, children. Thanks for watching my video.